In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money on YouTube without having your channel monetized. Hey, what's going on you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start making money on YouTube before you have your channel monetized. Now, you don't have to be a big time YouTuber in order to start making money on YouTube. Now, if you didn't know, the way that most big YouTubers make their money is through Google AdSense. So what that means is that they get paid anytime an advertisement is shown before, during, or after their videos. Now, in order for them to start making money through Google AdSense, they need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within the last 12 months. Now, if you're a small-time YouTuber or you're just barely getting started out on YouTube, this can take a long time for you to hit that goal. So that's why I'm making this video to show you a few different ways that you can make money without having your channel monetized. Now, before I jump into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so there's a bunch of different ways that you can make money on YouTube before you have Google AdSense enabled, but I'm going to just keep it simple and just give you guys 3 of them in this video. So the first way is to have your own business. Now, a lot of people use YouTube as a platform just to promote their business. For example, let's say that you have a business where you show people how to start their own t-shirt line. Maybe you might be doing coaching and consulting with them. You might have an online course that takes them step by step on everything that they need to do and have in order to start their own clothing brand. So what you can do is you can start to make YouTube videos just showing people business tips, giving them ideas, maybe design templates that they can use, references on how to start their own clothing brand. You can just make videos showing them where they can buy the best blank t-shirts, the different type of techniques when it comes to printing on t-shirts. And at the end of each one of your videos, you can just simply give people a call to action. If you have an online course, you can just let them know about your online course at the end of your video and just discuss a little bit more in detail about what your online course can do for them if they're really serious about taking their business to the next level. And you can also let people know that you also do coaching and consulting with them over the phone. So you can let them know at the end of your video and just let them know if they want more personal coaching with you, they can schedule a phone call with you. You can help guide them in the right direction on what they really need, what they want for their business, and give them ideas. Now, the second way that you can make money on YouTube is by selling your own merchandise. I'm pretty sure you've seen a lot of big time YouTubers do this. If you scroll down in the description of their videos, they have their own merchandise that they're selling. Maybe they might be selling t-shirts, hoodies, hats, socks. Now, a lot of big time YouTubers, they make money by selling merchandise because they have a large following. But you don't necessarily need to have a large following in order to start selling merchandise. You might have to spend a few dollars going to Fiverr to have somebody create a design for you if you're not really graphically inclined. And you can put the links in the description of your own videos. Now, there's a few different websites that you can use print-on-demand services to sell your own merchandise. And basically, the 2 most common ones that I would recommend is Printful and also Teespring. Now, if you're not familiar with print-on-demand, it's basically where you put a design basically onto a mock-up, and it's going to show you what that t-shirt's going to look like with your design on it. So you don't have to take the time to invest money into printing a bunch of t-shirts that you're just going to have sitting in your closet or your garage waiting for people to buy them. Since it's print on demand, it doesn't get printed until the customer actually buys the t-shirt. Now, I've talked about this previously in other videos. So basically, print on demand is where you factor in the cost that it takes to make the shirt or the hoodie or whatever merchandise that you're going to be selling, and then you're going to add your commission on top of that. So if a shirt costs you $13 to print and an extra $5 to ship out to the customer, that's $18 it's going to cost you. So you need to add your commission on top of that. So if you want to make $5 off of every shirt, you should be charging $23 for every shirt. And that's the basic concept of what print on demand is. Now, the third method that I want to share with you that you can use to start making money on YouTube is called affiliate marketing. Now, this is probably the easiest way to make money online, not just on YouTube, but just online in general. And if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product through a link that's given specifically to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they buy the product that you're promoting, then you're gonna earn a commission from that. So usually the way that this would work is that you would first pick a product that you would want to promote. And this would have to fall under the category that you're focusing on. So let's say, for example, that your YouTube channel is all about reviewing tech products like cameras, cell phones, computers. And let's say that you're reviewing a specific laptop. In the video, you can be talking about the pros and cons about that laptop, the price, the features, maybe compare it to another laptop that's similar to it. And also let people know where they can buy that laptop, which is going to be the affiliate link in the description of your video. Now, whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they buy that laptop, then you're going to earn a commission from that. And that's basically what affiliate marketing is. Now, like I mentioned, there's plenty of other ways that you can make money on YouTube before you have your channel monetized. But I just wanted to keep it simple in this video, and I hope this video was helpful. Now, one last thing that I wanted to mention before I end this video is, if you're somebody who's serious about starting your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, then check out the first link in the top of the description for my personal recommendation. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys learned a thing or two. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Well, with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.